called in the restaurant. Come on. I want an omelette and green tea and chicken.
Oh, what food is that? What you want to bring? I want orange juice. Ice cream. Okay, thank you. Wait a minute. What is that?
And it is. Who will pay? Who will pay?
I only want. How much for is that?
It's 40,000. This is the bill.
This is.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
That's all from my video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye.